Ready to chat with friends and family? Let's get WhatsApp on your Android phone in just few steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Here at bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now you can see the search bar at the top. Tap on it and type in WhatsApp. Look for the green icon with the white phone inside, which is the official WhatsApp logo. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on it to begin the installation. The app will start downloading, which should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, tap open to launch the app right away. Make sure you have enough storage on your device before downloading the app. Which Android version are you using? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.